Readability. Python has a clean and consistent syntax that makes it easy to read and write code. This can reduce the likelihood of syntax errors and make it easier for developers to understand code written by others, making it easier to maintain and troubleshoot. Abundance of libraries and frameworks. Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that can be easily integrated into a project. This reduces the need for developers to build components from scratch, which can save time and minimize errors. Strong community support. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to the development of the language, libraries, and frameworks. This means that bugs and issues are identified and resolved quickly, which can contribute to the reliability of the language. Cross-platform compatibility. Python can run on different platforms and operating systems, which makes it easier to build and deploy applications across different environments. Testing frameworks. Python has a range of testing frameworks that can be used to validate the functionality of code. This can help detect and fix errors before they cause problems in production.